In this video, I'm going to tell you the difference between something called front loop only versus back loop only. When I typically crochet, you would push the hook under the stitch. So right now you can see the hook is going through 2 loops and not just one. So the first loop on this side is called a front loop, and the loop on the other side is called a back loop. The front loop, the name basically come from, is in the front, right? It's like the loop that is closest to you, versus the other loop from that side is a back loop because it's farther away from you. Let me zoom in a little bit. When the pattern asks you to crochet front loop only, basically instead of pushing the hook through both loops like that, you're going to push the hook under the front loop only. You can see there's only one loop, and you totally ignore the back loop. So depending on the pattern, you can just make a single crochet with the front loop only like that, and then on the next one you're going to just get the front loop as well. So something like that. Let me undo. So now in the case where the pattern say only crochet on the back loop, going to do the opposite. Instead of going through here and here to get the front loop, going to go through the middle and push it through the back in order to crochet on the back loop only. So on the next one, it would be from middle to the end like that. So that's basically how you distinguish between the front loops and back loops.